Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of cryptocurrency, our today's topic is cryptocurrency important for global economy and society? So cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular have high utilitarian yet also disrupting quality that has slowly but steadily started to interfere with the way the traditional financial system works. So, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies may energize the global economy in this following points that I'm going to write in that way. Okay, so there are these major points. We'll look one by one into the detail. So, the first one is a beneficial rise in economic activities. A beneficial rise in economic activities. So there is already an entire industry built around cryptocurrencies, and it's held by institutions dedicated to supervising all the digital coin exchanges taking place throughout the world. The rate at which cryptocurrency industry is growing is earth-shattering, and this can be confirmed by early adopters that became rich overnight and found opportunities to grow financially. Bitcoin, the most famous of these cryptocurrencies, has already permitted many people and companies to develop and flourish, while many also rely on trading as their source of income. The economy is slowly shifting to adapt to these needs, and cryptocurrencies have a great potential in satisfying them. Second is great opportunities for poorly banked countries. So, more than a third of the world population does not have access to basic banking services that can help them out in the case of personal financial crisis. That is, loans, checking accounts, and the list can go on. These people, that is, most cases, have already financially disadvantaged, typically resort to doubtful and dangerous lending practices. There are now many apps and programs that facilitate the use of cryptocurrencies and bring them closer to the wider audience. An added benefit to cryptocurrency use is that it's completely decentralized, so trading can be done freely across borders. The use of technology will facilitate a financial revolution that will leave everyone more financially connected, empowered, and enabled. Third one is low transaction costs. Low transaction costs. So because cryptocurrencies and blockchain doesn't need official institution to manage these virtual currencies, the costs associated with the transactions are minimal. Fourth one is increased transparency of transactions. So since all blockchain and cryptocurrency transactions are automated and digitalized, they all are tracked in a distributed ledger. The best part about it is that it cannot be manipulated by either people or companies, which generally diminishes the risk of fraud and corruption, right? This means that underdeveloped countries also have greater chance in entering financial transaction game and boost their own economy and social prospects. What's more, that citizens will be able to keep track of where state funds will be oriented and will thus have to stay within their own political climate. And the last one point is more power to entrepreneurs. So there's never a more prosperous time to do business than it is now, right? In the sense of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies can help entrepreneurs receive payments in more currencies. The world is changing and it's changing quickly. The speed at which cryptocurrencies are taking over is clear indicator that traditional financial institution can go no longer hold the fort so well that other financial needs are arising and need to be addressed. Similarly, the world is facing a growing need to tear down borders in search of complete social and financial inclusion. This blockchain technology has everything it needs to address such issues. So, to our question, that is cryptocurrency important for global economy and society? So personally I think that yes, it is very important for global economy and society. So this was our today's video. Our next video will be based on the question, can cryptocurrency replace physical money and plastic money? So stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.